Hi, I'm Alexis. I'm from Hosemaster, their talent acquisition specialist, and we are currently looking for our TIG welders for our booths as well as our general labor positions. And really all we're looking for is someone that's going to come in, show up to work every day, as well as someone that has a great attitude.
Dave Frazier, Charles Manufacturing. So what I'm hoping to do today is to find prospects. We're really happy that you have a program like this. Everyone that I've met here today seems really interested. I've given a lot of cards out. I'm looking forward to hearing from some students. Got several guys that are going to retire soon. We need to get some young people in, show them the tricks of the trade before the old guys retire out. And I'm one of the old guys, so.
My name is Marty Mann. I'm with the Cleveland Boilermakers, Local 744. We have a bunch of work coming up. We need some new membership. We need some young blood and some people that want to wake up in the morning, go to work, and make some money. So we work on pressurized vessels, a lot of work in steel mills, oil refineries, powerhouses where they generate power, so coal-fired, gas-fired, nuclear-powered facilities like that. Real impressed, yeah. Real good job. Most of them introduced themselves, had a resume to hand out, and asked for good, solid questions, and look forward to getting some of them in with us, I hope.
Jimmy Koenig, I'm the department head here at OTC, the welding program here. So we really work on the soft skills here. We go over what's called the Chipotle line talk. You never know who you're going to be talking to. Could be in the Home Depot line, could be in Chipotle line. You never know who you're going to talk to who's going to change your life. You know, you might be talking to a high-up executive at some big-name company. You never know until you make that first connection. You make the connection, you talk about, hey, this is who I am. Something quick, 30 seconds. And, you really got to be professional in the way you do that, and make sure you're nice and presentable because you never know who you're talking to. And that's what I really try to strive here, and that's what I'm really trying to do with this program, because welding's not everything, If you have good professional skills, it doesn't matter if you're going to do welding, automotive, or diesel technician. As long as you have those good soft skills, you're going to be successful wherever you go.